the Tareq Khamisa Foundation, or TKF, a San Diego, California-based nonprofit that was founded in service to demonstrate the grace and forgiveness that can rise from a family's tragic loss. For 25 years, TKF has serviced schools with a continuum of interventions focused in teaching and applying restorative principles and social-emotional learning as character-building strategies. As we were expanding our school programming for students, parents were asking TKF to help them in understanding and applying our restorative methodology at home as a way to support the positive changes they were seeing in their kids. Our parenting project eventually became a 5-session educational series that was facilitated in 90-minute sessions. The curriculum was designed to be personally engaging, interactive, and culturally relevant. Each session included instruction, practicing exercises, and group dialogues. We even developed a parenting workbook at parents' suggestion to give them a means to review the sessions at a later date. Many of the sessions that we did really looked at how parents could look at the content from the perspective of them as a both caring and courageous parent, and also them as a person with those characteristics. It gave them a deeper perspective of why teach these concepts to their kids and support their development in terms of these concepts. Parents were moved most by our session on forgiveness. Studies have found forgiveness plays a positive role in the health of families. We had parents work in a circle to build trust, understanding, and bonding and community. Then we had parents self-reflect on a time when they were unforgiving or had negative feelings that impacted their family. Parent feedback on the activity was very positive. Some of their comments included, practicing forgiveness as a parent will help with trust and bring our family closer as a unit.